Alright, Garmin DriveSmart 66, 76, and assumedly 86. Custom route colors. First step before we even get to this. Because these were a pain to make. These really were. The first thing, go to your speedometer, go touch this and hold it. Go to configuration and settings, go to MTP, and this is ordinarily set to auto. You have to set it to USB Ethernet. I don't know why, but it won't work if you copy the theme files and with auto detect. It has to be on USB Ethernet, so do that first before you copy the theme files, and then the themes that will be available if you copy all of them is from settings, map display, and then map theme. You probably have Garmin selected. Oop. But then, actually, let me turn off. There we go. Microphone off. Thank you. But anyway, and it doesn't put them in order for some reason. So you have red, black, blue, white, cyan, green, yellow. So it's right here. We will start with the first one in the list. There's red right there. There's black. And I'll show this in the night view in a moment. Blue. White, cyan, green, and yellow. So let me go back to the red one, and this will be, go to night. There we go. And the cool thing is it changes it. I'm glad this came up. It carries to the junction view as well. That was an unexpected bonus. I was like, oh, look at that. Because it used to be that it was just, yeah, we'll see. Oh, I'm glad it shows this too. On the static images, yeah, it's still the fuchsia. But on the animated ones that are like the map for the junction view, yeah, the color carries over. That's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the red one. And there's the black one. Which unfortunately on the 66, 76, 86 doesn't quite stick out as much compared to one my older themes. I tried to make it stick out as much as possible, but you know, you take what you can get. There's blue. That one sticks out. There's white. That really sticks out. And there's cyan, green, and yellow. So let's see. I'll go back to the red one. Actually, no, wait. I'll go back to the black one. And then under display, yeah, it's display, color mode, oh, auto, yeah, view. And there we have it.